Welcome back. So let's take a look at what to be expecting for the day on JPY. If you are yet to subscribe, actually click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also follow the Telegram. I'll put the link in the comment section. So this is our trend on EURJPY. We are in an uptrend move. This is clearly massive bullish move to the upside. Now, when you take a look at this here, this is our high, right? This is also our high, but this high was above this previous high. Markets give us a pullback here, then it eventually give us a new high, which took out this previous high. This is the new high. A little bit of a pullback, and now market is about to form a new high. So basically, for the day, we should be expecting another bullish move on EURJPY. So EURJPY should be a bullish move. If there will be any changes, I'll give you guys updates. So subscribe in order to stay